Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green shade saree, a mild light pista green color with deep burgundy prints on it. The same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. And here we have the saree in a tribal concept, all over tribal pattern printed, ancient tribal design, very closely printed using the brown shade. And we also have borders done in the blue color with the same tribal pattern. Elegant saree with the borders with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful light green color pallu here with the leaf pattern printed in the black in the pallu as along with the zari lines, and same green for the blouse piece, plain green, and this contrast blouse piece for the body. The body is black, plain black in the top, and we have the chessboard checks pattern in the bottom along with the green borders. The green borders have the block printed design in black, which is very different, beautiful leaf pattern. Very elegant design with zari borders, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue shade pallu with zari lines on the base of light blue shade color, and we have a little turquoise green and blue mixed shade color, little lighter shade blouse piece with prints in the blouse piece. Very rarely we have prints in the blouse piece. On one side we have the royal blue color borders. The complete saree is having the same light turquoise blue shade color saree with prints in green in the body, little lighter shade and small prints. And we have mango design printed in both sides borders, one at a row at the top and two at a row at the bottom, very elegantly using the royal blue color. The borders of the saree is also in royal blue base. Elegant saree, very different color combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with blue as well as black in the pallu with zari lines. And we have the same blue for the blouse piece with one side black borders. A very famous design done in a different color here. The blue is almost a sky blue shade with the prints in the lower half of the saree with black, and it is very beautifully done in an inverted triangle pattern, floral design. The zari here is also in the antique finish with black borders in both sides. Elegant saree, very different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink shade color saree, magenta pink shade with fully block printed pallu along with the zari lines in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, running color with golden zari borders in both sides. And here we have two different type of printing in the saree. The top half is diagonally printed with two different designs, yellow and cream used for the printing, and the lower half is completely as butta type printing that is done in a mango design. Very different half saree type printing, and otherwise the saree color is same with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful, very attractive yellow pallu with zari lines, the same yellow blouse piece. It's really attractive, very beautiful yellow color, and the complete saree is also in yellow with the lower half fully a floral design printed. The starting of the chest part till the chest part, the pallu comes. You can see the beautiful contrast nature of the saree. Really pretty one. The color is really attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu in the base of yellow and brown. The brown is given for the block prints also. It's a maroonish brown with zari lines. And we have the yellow color blouse piece. Beautiful blouse piece with the body maroon color, maroon and brown mixed color shade border. Zari border all over the saree with the complete yellow body, and we have the beautiful triangle shaped design in the bottom alone. Almost it comes the half of the saree, and it is having a beautiful polka dots design also, which is done in cream color. A very different saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue, indigo blue in a darker shade color pallu with white prints on it, half white used for the printing, and we also have zari lines. And here we have a green, a parrot green color blouse piece, plain one with the blue borders in one side. The saree here is in a beautiful parrot green base with dark green color prints. Beautiful concept, very elegantly shuttle printing all over, and we have the indigo blue base for the zari borders in both sides. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, navy blue and maroon in the pallu with block prints and zari lines. And we have a wine color, deep burgundy and wine mixed color blouse piece, a contrast one. The same color is used for the prints here. And here we have a brush painted design all over the body. And we also have rectangular blue prints and border design also in blue. Very elegant and beautiful collection. A trendy and new exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a cream color pallu. Rarely cream is given for the pallu here with black block prints, and we also have zari lines. And we have a body color, a pink shade blouse piece with one side the half white color used for the borders. The borders completely are in half white with the golden zari, and you can see the beautiful saree type. The top half is completely plain in the same dark pink, and the lower half is having fully horizontal printing design along with the temple border. Done on cream base in using the black ink. Very elegant and different saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast black blouse piece with one side pink borders. Very light and beautiful pink shade, something between magenta and the normal pink, and we have all over printed design in the saree. Fully it is printed using the rangoli design pattern, and we have zari borders also in the pink shade. The saree is in cream with prints in pink. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, dark magenta pink color, magenta pink with mild black mix, and we have black block prints used in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast yellow blouse piece, goldish yellow color. The saree here is in very deep magenta and black mixed color, almost a purplish violet it is, with beautiful design. Black and yellow is also given in the lower half, which is given for the blouse piece also. Very beautiful and contrast color nature saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey and black saree. Beautiful black color. On it the bluish grey color is given for the base, and tribal pattern is printed in the pallu along with the zari lines. And the saree is grey here, same color blouse piece, bluish grey color with very elegant borders in black. Complete borders in antique finish on the black base. Beautiful zari work and the mild printing all over the saree, closely printed design, and we also have a temple borders in both sides. Different and beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with two different shades of green, light green and deep green is given in the pallu. It's kind of a military green shade with a light green blouse piece. One side the dark green is given. The saree here is in beautiful cream shade in the top with all over leaf pattern printed. Both the greens given in the blouse as well as pallu is given in the saree top. And the lower half you can see a beautiful design, kind of a half saree model in a vertically printed painted design in both light and dark green shades. Very elegant one, different saree in a half saree model, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu with the base of the block prints in yellow color, and we also have zari lines. And we have a green and yellow mixed color, very beautiful color blouse piece with maroon borders one side. The complete saree is in the same green and yellow mixed shade, a lime color we can call, with a beautiful design, 3 different design block prints in a single saree. The top portion is vertically printed, center part is horizontally printed, and the lower half we have the floral design. When it comes to the lower half, only the lower part design is given along with the horizontal design. This one is left in the lower part with this borders in the maroon shade color. Very different saree, beautifully printed with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled with Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue shade, little lighter shade royal blue with zari lines in the pallu, and we have a contrast light parrot green shade for the blouse piece, completely contrast to the body and the pallu. And the saree here is in cream color. This is the extension of the pallu which comes almost near the chest part, and we have the complete body which is cream with the prints in blue and light green shade. The borders are also given in the blue. Very elegant collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with mango design printed using pink, and we also have zari borders. And the pink is the blouse piece here with one side the blue borders, plain pink blouse piece. The saree here is in beautiful pink again, kind of magenta pink shade with all over printed. The top portion is having a beautiful temple design border in both sides, bigger temple using the royal blue, and the lower half we have a different prints in the body. All are printing only the difference, otherwise the saree is in same color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green saree, green pallu with prints in blue and maroon, and we have olive green shade color blouse piece, complete plain blouse piece with the different shade green in the borders. The pallu is contrast, light difference in the shade of the green, and we have a saree which is having a dual color and finish. Top portion is completely printed one with top having the blue prints and lower half having the burgundy, the maroon color prints. It's a floral pattern, and the lower half is having Buddha design printed very elegantly with the borders in blue. Printing alone here is in half saree type with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light blue color pallu with beautiful zari lines in the pallu. We also have zari borders. Same light blue blouse piece, plain one with one side deep grey color border. The whole saree is having beautiful zari borders, the same pallu color, light blue shade. The saree here is completely in grey, a bluish beautiful grey color with buttas here and there done using the block print. Cream and green used for the butta weaving. A very simple yet very elegant combination saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade saree, a very elegant green, parrot green shade with maroon prints on it, the pallu, and we have zari lines also with same light green shade, little lighter shade green for the blouse piece, which is same as the body. Body is very different here. The top portion is completely red base, maroon base with the green prints, and the lower half of the saree is completely in green with the printing in the motif type design. Very different one in a half saree model design, printed very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with very different horse pattern printed in it using cream color along with the zari lines. Same pink blouse piece with green borders, an ultimate contrast, very attractive combination saree. Green saree here, bright parrot green color with floral design in pink and white, and we have both sides the pink border, very elegant horse pattern printed. Very attractive, ultimate combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful rusty orange color pallu with zari borders, zari lines, and we have same color blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The complete saree is having a golden zari border on the base of rust color, and here we have the rust color in the top, which is plain, and the lower half is completely cream color, creamy half white, with the rose design printed. Again, rust and green colors are used for the printing. Beautiful saree, excellent design with authentic silk mark.